good, right? Oh, awesome. Everyone, yes. ठीक है ना, right? Everyone good, right? I'll share the screen also, right? Everyone, yes. Uh, okay. Why do you are here? Why do you need YouTube link? Just wanted to check everything smooth, right? Okay, awesome. I think we are live, so we can go ahead with that. Okay, awesome, great. So today we will be sharing. I let me share my screen. Okay, let me allow my screen. Everyone, let me know if you guys can see the screen also. Okay, please confirm in the chat. Okay, sir, I can see your screen. Looks okay. Looks good, right? And yes, okay. So today we will be building something important. Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple of ideas. Okay, not only this, today I have something important. Okay, so we have a lot of ideas which you guys can build. So the thing which I wanted to start is, everyone, there are a lot of people who are building AI tools. Okay, there are a lot of tools which people are building, right? So if you open the track.com track website, go to AI tester blueprint, and we have here we have AI testing tools idea. Okay, so now I want in 2026, every manual tester, every QA, every automation tester, if you are even a fresher or non IT, right, you also have to start creating some of the AI testing tools by using the power of vibe coding. How many of you are with me? Give me yes in the chat. Agree? Everyone is creating. You must have been seeing this on LinkedIn also, right? So what we are going to use is, today I will show you how we can use anti-gravity. Okay, so by default anti-gravity has already Gemini Pro attached, free of cost, that you can basically try. You just have to log in, right? Here I have also installed one more thing which is called as augment. Augment is very similar to GitHub Copilot also. So right now we have two agentic AI, you can say, agents which will help me to create any kind of thing which I want. Yes, everyone agree? So but first of all, we will discuss ki sir, right now everyone is saying ki sir, we have to build tool, right? So now what is the first thing you need to understand, that ki sir, how do I build a tool? How exactly we have to go with that? Okay, how many of you are interested ki sir, this is going to be a very interesting topic, because there are a lot of AI testing tools that you guys can create. I have a huge list of it. This is just a few of them I have given. I'm going to give you, if you see me my notebook LLM, like I have almost 25 plus, everyone. So there is a video also which is coming where I'm going to give you the list of more than 25 plus. Okay, let me show you also. So more than 25 plus one, we have the idea which we have discussed in one other video. I would suggest you everyone to watch that. Okay, so this idea, I'm going to basically, now let's do one of the live right now. So rather than discussion and everything, let's build live also. Okay, sir, where is your notebook LLM link also? I will share with you. I will share with you. This, it will be available for you in the resources. Okay, in the resource in the end I will share. Okay, so idea is, everyone, the please remember, the main idea is we will be only doing vibe coding. Everyone, the most important thing is ki sir, we will be vibe coding. We are limited number of coding we are going to do. Is everyone clear? Give me yes in the chat, sir, I'm with you. Okay, right, we are going to use some of the tools. Okay, so Gemini, I prefer Gemini, right? And you can also use the anti-gravity also. For what is this anti-gravity, sir? How many of you have heard of it? Anti-gravity, I prefer this. There is an alternate also for anti-gravity, which is Cursor. Okay, Cursor, I generally don't try to use it because it's a very costly right now. We can use, by default, anti-gravity provides you a very Gemini actually for free for limited time, that you guys can use it. Okay, so that's the best thing that we have, right? Okay, another interesting thing is ki sir, we have to create everything, right? Most of the time we will have two options. Either we can use the public APIs, like for example chat GPT API, or we can use Gemini, right? If you want to use the leverage the power of AI, you have to go with that scenario. Yes, everyone agree? Ki sir, I have to use chat GPT API and everything, right? Now interesting thing is, we can do something called as local LLM also. Okay, where free of cost we will be running it into our company, because maximum companies will not allow you to have any kind of APIs, like for example chat GPT, Gemini, Claude.ai, right? They will not provide you, because they are searching for some alternate, or searching for some local or free of cost open source, or I would say public source large language model. How many of you are with me till now? Give me yes in the chat. Able to understand till now? Ki, sir, what we are doing? What are the prerequisite, everyone? How many of you are with me? Just type yes in the chat. Kajal, Deepa, everyone. On the YouTube also, everyone. If you are able to understand, just type yes in the chat. I can see all the comments. On YouTube also, I have it. Okay. So you have to use vibe coding, which is very important. We can use Gemini right now because Gemini is actually free of cost. for some certain amount of time. Anti-gravity as a tool, okay, we can use it, and we can use the free version of ChatGPT and everything as an API. But generally we will always use Olama or local LLM in this case. Okay, our main funda will be always use local free LLM by using Olama, because that is exactly what companies allow you to have it. Company does not allow you to have any kind of paid services, because if something is paid, you have to get a license and hundreds of things, right? Okay, so let's solve one of the problem statement that we have, shall we? How many of you want to solve a real problem? Solve kare everyone. So a real problem that we have, okay, so one of the real problem that we are basically taking is we have lot of PDFs, okay. So I have a PDF that I want to verify, right, via the code, okay. How many of you are with me? This is one of the problem statement which I want to take right now. Okay, we can take anyone. By the way, guys, this is going to be a series where we are going to develop lot of AI testing tools side by side as a power of vibe code. Everyone with me? How many of you are super excited? Type yes in the chat. Okay. But right now, I'm going to give you one of these scenario, and we will pick a scenario, and I'm going to give you my strategy, how exactly I do it and how exactly you can do it too. Okay, what are the things you have to take care, what you have to do, how to stop hallucination, how to stop inconsistency, everything we are going to discuss. Okay, I'm going to discuss that point of view. Okay, clear everyone till now? Okay. So the problem statement which I want to verify is, sometimes we want, okay, so I see, I don't want to create a simple test case generator. We have already created, everyone, yes or no? Multiple times we have created test case generator. You can see on our YouTube also, right? Yes or no? How many of you are with me? Multiple times we have already created. If you go to live session, you can see the moment we have discussed about LLM basics, smart SK generator. I think smart SK generator we have already created. Yes or no? Where we have created by using the power of RAG. Right? If you have not watched, I would suggest you to watch it. Right? But today, I want to create it in a simple manner where the problem statement is PDF I have to verify via the code, which means what will happen is, okay, this is what will happen, everyone. So I have a PDF. Okay. Let me show you one of the PDF, everyone. So this is a PDF of our AI. So this is, by the way, the information is actually wrong. Actually, this is all the information, you don't have to. Okay. So this is a course that we have launched. If you know this, if you don't know this, then you should know, everyone. We are launching our course, which is AI Tester Blueprint Batch. Yes or no, everyone? How many of you are with me? How many of you remember that? Yes. Okay. So here, the problem statement is very simple. Okay. What is this? Once again. No, we don't want. Okay. Why this is open? Let me quit. What the hell is this? Okay. So anyways, we'll take care later. Okay. Now, suppose this is the PDF that we want to prepare, right? So tomorrow is our first lecture also, right? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Okay, bhai band ho ja. No, no, no. We don't want to say, I don't want to mail anything at all. Okay. Now, I have to basically verify the amount, everyone. Let's suppose I have to verify the amount, and whose email ID is this? Now, what exactly is the traditional process for that, everyone? What is the traditional process to automate this? To automate this, what is the process, everyone? You will use a library. Yes or no, everyone? So you will use something called as PDF parse library, right? In the PDF parse library, first of all, you will basically get the content. So you get a content that you have, for example, whatever the content that you have, right? Then you basically verify that content, everyone. You verify the content in the as a contains, okay, but it does not give you exactly the results, which means it does not give you the results properly. What happens if you have a huge, a big one, ठीक है? Let me show you a simple demo, everyone. Yes or no? How many of you want to see a demo first? कि सर एक बार demo देख लेते हैं. Let's see a demo first. Then basically you will guys will be able to understand कि what is the problem statement we are trying to solve. Okay. So the problem state I'll show you. I have already created one of the demo right here. Let me show you also. So this is what you do is you upload your PDF. Okay. So I'm going to upload my PDF, which is our course that we have, right? And what will happen is I want my data into this JSON. Everyone, I want my data into this JSON. Okay. So what will happen is, what is I want to basically from this PDF, give me the invoice number, give me the date, give me the vendor number, total amount, totex, and currency. Now what will happen is, I can create a simple API or a simple app or simple endpoint where your automation code will send the PDF automatically LLM will parse it and give you a structured way to verify this. Guys, this is easy to verify, or we have to easy to verify, or this one is easy to verify. Your PDF or a parsed PDF automatically by using the power of LLM. Which one? Second case, right? So here in this case, if I click on run extraction, what will happen is you have uploaded a PDF automatically. If you see 95% is given, and here you can see it is going to give me this output in this case. Now I can happily verify this into my test case. How many of you got the idea? Give me yes in the chat, guys. This is a important program, guys. Now the problem, I don't know if you guys know this, but it's actually a huge problem in case of automation, where whenever we have to verify, we have to use a libraries like PDF parse or something, but they will only give you the data as a full. They will give you the full data. We don't want full data. We want a structured data in this case. Sir, can it be any PDF other than bill? Yes, it can be any PDF, and how you wanted. What is the structure of PDF that you wanted? So LLM will decide which one we have to do. Sir, if even we can compare a two PDF also, right? By using the paperboard, you can, Rahul Singh. Now, how many of you are getting the idea? Ki, sir, by using this, I can build lot of things. I can build a PDF differentiator. If I have to verify manually PDF lot of time. How many of you have this problem? Ki, sir, manual testing I am doing. I have to verify hundreds of PDF daily. Probably I have to check multiple PDFs daily, right? There are a lot of things you can develop. So there are hundreds of AI testing tools which are waiting for you to create it. Okay? How many of you got the idea? Which give me yes in the chat. Now, sir, do we have to create it from scratch? No, absolutely no. I have already created by using the Gemini, but I'm going to show you also how we can do that, right? You can download this app and run it locally also. How many of you got the idea what I'm trying to say? You can download this app as a local, run it into your computer, your machine, your Jenkins, your AWS machine, wherever in your company also, and it will work. Why? Because it also uses a local LLM also. How many of you are with me? Give me yes in the chat. There is a setting of local LLM also. You don't have to install or use the Google Gemini because your company will not allow you. So that's why in that case, we have added local LLM also. Sir, where the PDF will get stored? You don't have to store PDF. Here we are only extracting the PDF. That's it. No data is going to leave your computer. No data is going to leave your even system also, because we are using a free version of open source Llama 3 right now. Okay, everyone clear with this problem statement? How many of you are clear with the problem statement? Sir, I got it. So what we are going to do, the problem statement is very simple. Whatever the PDF that we have, so you give me the PDF and give me the how you want the JSON, whatever the JSON that you want, right? Sir, this is a PDF content testing, right? Yes, you guys are right. So this is one of the tools that we are building, everyone. And it's a very big problem. As a manual tester also, as an automation tester also, I have to do this problem statement. Yes or no? So what we are doing is we have this PDF, we have this JSON. I am going to give this, both of them to my application. My application will give me a normal JSON. What exactly it is going to give me? It is going to give me a JSON which I can use in my automation, or you can use it anywhere. Okay, you can use it anywhere also, whichever you want to use. Okay, how many of you are with me? Give me yes in the chat. But how exactly this is happening? Everyone, sir, can we extract a Word document also? You can extract a Excel file also if you want to. Okay, so how exactly it is going to happen? This PDF will basically go to, first of all, a PDF extractor. Okay, a PDF extractor will go to. After that, it will go to a local LLM. How many of you are with me? It will go to local LLM, right? It will go to local LLM, and this local LLM will basically give you the JSON. Okay? How many of you are with me? Give me yes in the chat. Sir, is it secure because we have a client? Now tell me. This is a very good question, everyone. This is, I really wanted to ask also. Okay. So good question, which I want to take it also, everyone. The question is, sir, let me take a screenshot, everyone, to show you what is the question we are getting, everyone. Okay. The question is, sir, is it secure because we have a client? Now my question to all of you is, okay, we are using a local LLM here. This is between our company. This is in my system or in my Jenkins system or in my AWS? Yes or no? Nothing is going anywhere. Yes. We are using a local LLM also. So no data is getting passed anywhere. Is the data going to Gemini? Is the data going to Claude? Is the data going to anywhere in the chat GPT? No. कहीं नहीं जा रहा. नहीं. It is not even going to Llama. Nowhere it is going in this case. Okay. We are using a local Llama which is running in that case. Okay. So how exactly we can use it? How to create this also? We can create it simply, right? To create this kind of problem, right? Simple thing, right? First of all, you need to do something important. You have to, right? First thing first, everyone. I know all of you are excited ki sir, this is very simple. I just give a prompt and it will create it. Yes or no? How many of you have this ki sir, we are going to create like this? How many of you have this? But today I have something interesting for you, all of you. Okay? This is not exactly how we do it in companies also, everyone. Do you think directly we basically have a prompt and we start doing it? No, never, never, never we are going to do that. Okay? What we are going to do, we are going to create a folder. Okay? Everyone with me? Give me yes in the chat, sir. So let's create this as a PDF to JSON folder. Okay? With me? How many of you are with me? Give me yes in the chat. Sir, I'm going to create this folder into the anti-gravity, right? Now we have option here. The moment you open this into anti-gravity, you will have a side-by-side agent where you have a power of Gemini 3.0 Pro, right? In this case. Now, the interesting thing is here that everyone, all of you are using either this agent or GitHub Copilot or Augment. So there are a lot of them which people are using it. Yes or no? So I generally use Augment or GitHub Copilot. Or how many of you are using GitHub Copilot in this case? Give me yes in the chat. Maximum companies have already have this, right? Even if you don't have it, let's suppose if you don't have it, then we can definitely build free of cost into the ai.studio.com. How many of you are with me? Right? We can still use ai.google.com/applications. Here also, if you can open this, right, you can basically start creating here also. Okay? So there are multiple ways to create it. You can create it locally by using the Augment or GitHub Copilot. You can use this anti-gravity agent also, which is going to use Gemini 3.4 Pro, right? Or you can use Gemini directly also, whichever is comfortable, you can use it. So step number one is, first of all, you have to get the idea. So what I'm going to do is I will first go to my, instead of going to build, I will go to playground. And here I am going to create a proper requirement. I'm going to explain him what is the problem statement that we have. Okay. Is everyone with me? So here also you can discuss. This is for the people who are using GitHub Copilot or Augment or any kind of anti-gravity. This is for the people who are allowed to use directly open Gemini also. Both of them are similar way. Okay. So here I will mention, I'm using audio to text, by the way. I have to create a simple web application or a API where I will upload the PDF and I will also give you what is the JSON structure. What exactly you will do is you will parse the PDF and fetch the details by using the power of local LLM, or you will also implement the Gemini. I'm going to share the key also of the Gemini 3. Now, you need to basically parse the PDF, right? And put it into a structured JSON, right? And I also want you to create the API documentation so that we can use it as an API, right? Or you can also develop a local web version also for the demo purpose also. Okay, how many of you are clear? Give me yes a chat. So this is the instruction which I have given to him. Okay, it's a huge instruction. If you can see, this is a huge instruction. Everyone can see that. This is the same thing. You can add it here also, right? Everyone with me, give me yes in the chat, sir, I'm with you. By the way, if you want to run a local LLM, what we want to do, everyone, what we have to do, we have to install Olama. Everyone, yes or no? First of all, you go to Olama, right? Go to the parent website, go to click on this Llama website. There is a button to download, everyone. There's a button to download the local version here. I have already downloaded. Last time also we have already downloaded. So we are going to open the Olama right now. I already have a Olama, by the way. Olama. This is the Olama. Local, you can see couple of local LLMs we are already using, which I generally prefer to use them. Right? I generally use Code Llama. You can use Code Llama for coding purpose also. Okay. Here. Right? You can use this also to create an application, but generally we will not use that. Okay. Here I have given the instruction, right? Here also I have given the instruction. Click OK. And now we are basically now discussing. Okay, so here also we are going to discuss key what exactly is the instruction, how this is even possible. Okay, so here if you see we are using a Sonnet 4.5. I'm going to change this also. If you are using GitHub Copilot and everything, you can use only ChatGPT. If you are using Augment, you can change the model also. But if you are using Gemini, I think the easiest version will be directly using this. If you are using GitHub Copilot, then only ChatGPT 5.2 version is allowed. Yes or no? How many of you are with me? Only ChatGPT 5.2 version is mostly allowed. If you are using the anti-gravity, right, by default version, here also you can put it here. You can choose here these options also, whichever you are interested in. These are high, low, new, and these also is also you can use it. So your choice, your rules, everyone. So if you see, it has basically told me that okay, yes, this is a great fresh product. I will use a fast API, web interfaces, API documentation also, flexible JSON structure also. And if you notice, it has started creating something also. I have not given even anything at all. I have just given him a folder structure. Automatically, it has started creating some of the things, everyone. How many of you are with me? Give me yes in the chat. Automatically, it has created some of the files. It has started creating for this. Okay, let it create. He is going to create it us for us, which is good. Give me love in the chat if you are with me, able to understand. Here also, here in this case, I have basically got the idea. So here, this Gemini has given me an idea that, okay, this is how we can generate. Okay, sir, anti-gravity is free, right? Absolutely, yes. So anti-gravity, you guys can download, everyone. It's a free of cost. You can download on antigravity.google.com. Directly, there are links. You can basically go ahead with that. Okay, directly you can go ahead, right? Okay, now. Okay, so whatever the response we have got, everyone, this is the response that I have got. I will just try to copy as a text. Now, what I'm going to do, I will navigate back to home, and here is an option of build. Everyone, do you see an option of build? Now I'm going to tell the Gemini to build this application. How many of you are with me? Give me yes in the chat, sir. I'm with you. Now I'm going to tell him to build this API, this AI testing tool for me because I have to use it. Okay, I have to showcase to my manager to get a promotion. How many of you loved it? Give me yes in the chat. I have to showcase to my manager to get a promotion. Yes or no? Right? Yes or no? Similar thing. Okay, chalo. So here I'm going to tell him that okay, prepare the below AI testing tool. Okay, and we are going to call it PDF to JSON. Okay, API or app. Okay, this is the instruction I have just copy pasted. Whatever I have copied, everyone, I'm just going to put it here. Okay, and click on build. How many of you are with me? Give me yes in the chat. So do we need a paid version to build this through Gemini? नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं, free है. Everything is free. Jagmeet, that is also free. Here you can see it has done something important. Okay, what exactly it is doing is it is creating a Python application. Okay, it has created a Python application. In this Python application, is basically created an API by using the power of fast API. So fast API is actually a Python utility, right? Where by using this utility, you can have your APIs ready. And here, if you go to models, in the models, it is going to basically convert this into our response. Okay, so let it done. Okay, I think it is almost done. So great start, fresh project. I think it is done. Let it do the magic. So it is going to add a README file also. Okay, let it add. Meanwhile, let's see what exactly Gemini is doing. Okay, Gemini is saying that okay, he understood that we want a dual LLM support. We want Gemini also, we want Olama also. Choice by the user. Okay, choice by the user. Right, so it does not rely on the pandemic and everything. Okay, so we have basically let it do. It is going to understand. Now you, if there is a problem, you think now there can be in a case where you want to, which technologies I have to use. For example, you know that okay, if you want to parse the PDF, you have to use PyTesseract. If you know that, you can mention that also. You know that okay, which LLM we have to use, Code Llama we can use free of course, that is there. So you can mention that also. Right now, sir, the real question is, sir, can we take out this application and run it in our system or our server so that other people or QA can also use it? The answer is yes. Yes or no, everyone? Yes or no? We can host this application. We can host this application in our AWS, in our Azure DevOps. If you have a local systems, if you have any AWS machines, if you have Docker containers, Docker machines, Wherever you have, apart from your machine, you can host it anywhere so that other people in your network also can use it. Is everyone make sense? Does it make sense, everyone? How many of you are making sense? Give me thumbs up in the chat if you are with me. कि sir एक बार thumbs up दे दो फटाफट. And on the YouTube people, just like in this case so that I know that okay, you are able to understand. Okay, sir, can we confirm the first step also? First step is very simple to get the idea of the prompt. First of all, now as you can see, everyone, how many of you are with me? Give me yes in the chat. Now you can see it has generated. Gemini is very fast. Yes or no, everyone? Gemini is actually very fast. देखो बना के भी दे दिया, फट से बना के दिया उसने. Yes or no, everyone? It has actually created. Can you see that, everyone? Can you see that? It is telling you that okay, I am done with this. I am done with this PDF to JSON. Done. So click on this full screen. What I'm going to do is my JSON will be very simple. I'm going to say that okay, give me the invoice number, give me the value. What is the value that we have? Okay, comma, give me the email ID also. If the user has an email ID also, give me only these information, nothing else. Nothing else I want. Okay, so I want only email ID, value, and this. Okay, let's upload the bill. So I'm going to upload the bill again. Okay, the AI tester blueprint batch, which is going to start, everyone. Yes, so for that we are basically have a bill. We are going to call it, and it is going to, now there is a problem that we have seen. The problem is okay, fail to extract the PDF. The PDF might be corrupted or password protected. Oh, is it password protected? Let me check. Is it the password protected one? Okay, I hope so. No, let me try it again. Okay, I think the first one we need to try. Okay, I think there's a problem. Okay, so we have found a problem. Very good. Let's see if what is the problem that we have. Okay, let's go. I think JSON wise, there is no problem, everyone. I think JSON looks okay. So you can verify JSON lint also, right? If you open the JSON, I think this is fine. JSON is fine. JSON is fine. There's no problem in this case. So we got some error. So we'll basically say that we are basically getting an error while uploading a PDF. It is not able to extract. Okay. So let's see. So here in this case, what happens? Let's see. Here in this case of GitHub Copilot and Augment, everyone. Here you can see it is telling you that okay, I have created an application. I have created everything, and web interface is also running. Okay. It is telling me that web interface is also running. API document is there. Okay. So I would just say that okay, please start the server so that I can test. Okay. And you can use the local LLM of Olama right now. Okay, so as of now, it is going to use local LLM in this case. So I'm going to open this, and it is going to run the application. By the way, application is already here. We have we already have this app running, which we can basically do. So I'm just asking to run this. It is going to run the application now. So it is just installing the instructions. Let it do that. Meanwhile, let's see. Basically, getting the error uploaded, it is not able to extract. So let it fix. Let it fix in this case. Okay, sir, can you confirm the steps? Right, steps are very simple, everyone. What is the step we have first of all found? First of all, you have to get the idea. Yes or no? First of all, you have to get the idea, right? After getting the idea, what we need to do, everyone? Tell me. After getting the idea, what we need to do? Tell me in the chat, everyone. After getting the idea, you will basically convert this into a proper prompt. Proper prompt, right? Then after converting into the proper prompt, right? This is important that you give instructions to the right anti-gravity or Gemini or Augment or Copilot, whichever you are using. Okay, whatever you are using, you can give this instruction. Okay, give proper instruction in this case, right? If you know the architecture, if you have idea also, then also you can mention key. You can use the libraries, whichever libraries. If you have an idea around this, you can also do that. By the way, here is the local version, everyone. Can you see that, everyone? Local version also we have now, which is created. Let me upload the bill. Okay, and this is the metadata. Let's suppose I want to get I want to get what we want to get, everyone. Tell me. Invoice number. I think invoice underscore number. This is invoice number, comma, amount. Okay, so I'm just typing in capital, everyone. So amount, this is going to be amount also. And this is what I want to verify. I want to verify the email ID also. So what is the email ID also? Extract these details. Okay. Invoice, this and this. Okay. LLM provider, by the way, local LLM we are using. So we already have a Olama installed. So Olama we are going to use. Any additional information? Nothing. Just extract the values. Okay, nothing else we have basically. Click on control. Click on this. It is basically parsing the PDF. Let's see what happens in this case. Okay, so it is by hooray, everyone. Yes or no? How many of you are with me? So our local application is actually working. Everyone, how many of you are with me? Give me yes in the chat. Yes. So we have a local application which is running on localhost 8080. It is using a local LLM. Local LLM which is on my system also only. You can install it in a different system also. And here, by the way, it has also created an API doc. So if you click on the API doc, you can basically use this API. Everyone, you can use this API to work on it also. So now we have a small utility which is there. Yes or no? How many of you are with me? We have a utility also and we have an API also. You can call this service as an API, which is convert to PDF to JSON. Just send the JSON by using this. We have a everything working. How many of you are with me? Give me yes in the chat, sir. I'm with you, right? We have everything working. You can send the whatever the data, it will give you the data properly. So here you can see our cloud code Opus 4.5 have actually built the application very well, and now you have running successfully a small application in your local. By the way, let's see what happened to Gemini. Everyone, let's see what happened to Gemini also. Shall we see yes or no? So I think Gemini has fixed the bug. So let me open the Gemini also. Okay. And now let it same, actually let it same, let's run. Okay. So Gemini is thinking now here we are using Gemini by the way, in this case. Okay. And hooray, how many of you are with me? Everyone give me as the chat. Order ID, date number, cost, the testing academy, right? Email, acha, we have not mentioned. So that's why it was not there. And now there is a one problem that we have. Do you see any problem here, everyone? We don't have any local LLM collection. So what you are going to do, this is actually a node application probably. You just have to download this application. Everyone, you can download this local application here and run it. It's a node based application. So you can run it also. You don't have to pay for this. Guys, do we have to pay for this now? Nothing you need to pay. Free of cost development is there. You can basically put this into your company's laptop, desktop, anywhere you just host it and it will run as it is. Okay, like similar to here. So for example, if you have this project, whatever the project that you have, by the way, I'm going to also add a local LLM support also. So, and also in the UI also. So I'm going to add this instruction, integrate the local LLM also, where user will be able to select the local LLM from Olama also. Okay. Sir, please run this on local also. Okay. I will run it on local also. How many of you want this to be learned? Right? Yes. Sir, can this be used to sort the e-learning books and everything also? I mean, if that is a use case, you can. If that is a use case, you can. Okay. So let it add the local also. By the way, we have this local which is available. Shall I push this application for you guys? Everyone, shall I push this application for you guys to see on GitHub? How many of you want to? How many of you want? Give me yes in the chat. Yes. Okay. Shall I push this? Okay. Can you please push this, commit all the changes and push into my one of the repository. Okay. So I'm going to push this for you guys. Okay. I think I have already pushed. Let me check. If you go to my GitHub repository, everyone, let me see if I have already pushed it or not. No, I think I have not pushed it. Okay. Let me push this. Okay. Okay. Let me push this. Let it push. It will basically push it. Push this into GitHub repository. I'm going to create a new repository, GitHub/new. Okay. Just create a new repository, which is PDF to JSON. Okay. For that's it. Don't initialize anything at all. Create a free repository, everyone. Just a new repository and give it to him. Okay. Give it to him. He will automatically do it. Okay. So give it to him, this repository. He will automatically push it. Go to terminal. I think if he's asking me, let's see. Okay. So this will be pushing right now. This is pushing. Meanwhile, we will go to our here in our Gemini also. If you see, I think it has done something. It is doing something. It is taking time. It is adding a services like create a service to generate also right here. So it is going to use Olama also. So let's see what are the changes it has done, everyone. So let's see. It is powered by Gemini. Again, you can remove it. Powered by Promote. You can whatever you want to. Here you see a option of local LLM. Can you see that, everyone? Can you see that there is an option of local also? So here you can mention the local, whichever model that you have already installed. Okay. So now we have everything ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to download this application. Okay. How many of you are with me? Give me yes in the chat. I'm going to download this application. Okay. So this is PDF extractor, whatever this is, I'm gonna download this. ठीक है, इसको मैं extractors करके download कर देता हूँ. ठीक है. What I'm going to do is, everyone, I'm going to extract this. Okay. I'm going to extract this. I have already extracted now. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, if you see, I think we have the repo. Everyone, how many of you want to see a repo? Guys, we have repo ready. I think let me refresh. So if you want to see, guys, this is the repository. Okay, PDF to JSON Pramod, you can find it. Okay, with me, this is the repository. If you want to run it, done. PDF to JSON, everything is done. This case. Okay. Now let's run this also, which is our local one that we have downloaded by using this, right? So here I will say that, okay, please let me do one thing. Let's open this into our anti-gravity only. Okay, so we have downloaded this in the download option. This is the code we have downloaded. So I'm going to open this into anti-gravity. Okay, so allow, yes. So I'm going to open this into anti-gravity. How many of you are with me? Give me yes in the chat, right? So this is where right now we have, and this is the chat of anti-gravity. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just mention, okay, can you please run this code? Can you just please run this code? I'm going to just mention, right? So it is going to see how this code can be run locally. Okay. So here it is taking time. It will take time. Okay. Gemini here in this case, it's going to take time. But I hope how many of you understood the problem statement? Ki, sir, I understood what is the problem statement we have heard. Sir, can we create a API automation tool as well, which we can automate APIs? Yes, you can. You can. Okay. Sir, in our company, not being used the thing. Amal, what exactly it is not used? GitHub Copilot is not allowed. Anti-gravity is not allowed. Local LMs are not allowed. Anything is not allowed. What is allowed? What is allowed? Sir, can we get a demo Reddit? Very useful, right? ठीक है, इसको allow कर दो. Allow this conversation. Okay. It will figure it out automatically. By the way, I'm using, I can use Augment also, which is GitHub Copilot alternate. सर आई एम डूइंग प्योर मैनुअल टेस्टिंग. ठीक है, इसको रन, उसको बोल दो रन कर दे. एनेट एंड इंस्टॉल राइट नाउ, इट इज रनिंग. let it do. I think I will not able to run this right now because I have some. ठीक है, one thing, start indexing, इसको डर करते हैं. We have one, it is just a node project, everyone, nothing fancy in this case. You have to just run it. Let me see. I have to stop my share for something actually. There is a command I need to run because I have a problem in my node. Okay. Okay, so let me fix my node. Okay, so give me 1 second. I'm gonna share my screen in 1 minute. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I think we are done. Okay, so actually the problem is nothing. The problem is actually I have to add a couple of JFrog ones details and everything. Okay, so I'm gonna just mention it quickly so that it does not do that for me. Okay, so here in the argument also I'm gonna just mention that, okay, actually npm registries are different. Okay, they are actually a different registries, nothing else. Okay, let it do the magic. I mean, it will install it automatically and you will get it. Okay, so by the way, our demo is working fine online. It works absolutely fantastic. Yes or no, everyone? By using the power of Gemini, it works. By the way, everyone, you can get a free Gemini. You can run a Gemini key also. Gemini key will be available at AI Studio stats Google. And if you basically click on this link, get an API key. You can get an API key also. I have created a lot of applications. You will find it. API key also. API ai.studiogold.com/APIs keys here. Okay. So meanwhile, run the application. I think it is going to run. Okay. We have some security problems and everything. I think let it do. Accept. Okay. We are installing n10 right now. Let it do. Some of the problems, I think local installation will take time, but I hope everyone got the idea. You can run it if you have, since it's a different system, we have some problem in that case. Okay. Sir, Augment is extension, right? Yeah, it's an alternate to GitHub Copilot, nothing else. Okay. Sir, you should create one testing academy and replace the Selenium and Parrot. Okay, chalo. Now, one important thing. So, quick announcement, everyone. If you have not powered, where is AI powered mastery, right? Yes. So if you have not still enrolled, this is a part of our AI power testing mastery course, which basically getting started from tomorrow. If you have not enrolled, make sure you check it out, everyone. If you have still missed, if you are still not part of it, make sure you self sponsor. Yes. On YouTube also, I'm gonna mention that, everyone. Okay. This is just sir. You always. So we everyone, yes or no, self promotion we have to do, yes or no. But the people who have already enrolled, don't worry. Tomorrow morning we'll meet. We have a lot of things which is coming. Okay. Wait. Don't worry. Right. Sir, self promotion is always there, right? Yes. Always. It will be always, everyone. Okay. So on the YouTube live, everyone, I'm going to give you. We have to do, yes or no. But the people who have already enrolled, don't worry. Tomorrow morning we'll meet. We have a lot of things which is coming. Okay. Wait. Don't worry. Right? So self promotion is always there, I guess. Always. It will be always, everyone. Okay. So on the YouTube live, everyone, the video. We have to do, yes or no. But always. It will be always. Okay. 1 second, everyone. I think there is a. Give me 1 second. Okay. Anyone wants to have a discussion with me? Anyone who wants to have any questions related to this? I want to ask. Sir, AI blueprint classes will be on Saturday, Sunday only, right? Yes. They are. Okay. They are going to be there only. Okay. AI blueprint classes will be on Saturday, Sunday. Okay. Link of AI, I think I have also given here in the Google channel also. Let's say a couple of questions. Anyone wants to ask? We will have where we have. Okay. Anyone who wants to discuss or want to. 1 second. Let me. Okay. Sir, can you give a summary? Summary is very simple. I mean, for the AI testing one, I think okay. Acha, this one. Okay, this course. Okay, yes. We will be basically learning about generative AI first. Everyone, where we will be generating our AI tester plan. Somebody is saying, sir, please give us a for knowledge of this. Okay. So first of all, the first session will be about the generative AI. What is a foundation model? What is the LLM? What is supervision? What is Harper's self supervision? What is tokenization? Context window, right? How exactly the TPM works, right? Everything related to LLM we are going to work tomorrow. Okay. Context reasoning, PDFs, everything, how exactly works. Then we are going to discuss about how you can generate your own test plan generator by using simple things. What is a RAG? What is MCP? Basics of that. Okay. After that, we will be discussing about prompt engineering, where I will be teaching you how exactly you have to use zero shot, multi-shot prompting frameworks of Star, Crips, Clear. There are a lot of them. There are a lot of them we need to discuss. After that, we'll discuss about Rice Port framework also, which is a customary that we have created that will give you amazing results. Okay. Then we have AI testing tool setups. We are going to learn about how to use Cloud Code, Augment, GitHub Copilot, Amazon Q, Checklist, Anti-Gravity. There are a lot of other tools that we are going to go one by one. Okay. Then we have test design and strategy, which is our STLC lifecycle, how to generate our test plan, test cases, test builder, everything in this case. Now the real thing will start. This one, I think pretty much everyone knows, which is basics, which is like 10%. But the real thing will start here, where we will be learning about what is an AI agent, how to create an agent, what is the safety, how to run our local LLM, how to use our local code llama, OLMO, everything. We are going to discuss about N8N workflows completely. We are going to discuss about how to use Lang flow to create your QA workflows. So if you have a QA workflows that you want to automate, here I have mentioned a lot of QA workflows. We can generate a screenshot to bug reporter also. We can generate a requirement to test case creator Lang flow also, or N8N flow also. We can create a screenshot to test step also. There are a lot of ideas that we can basically generate. How many of you are able to see that? Give me yes in the chat. There are a lot of ideas. I have noted down almost, I think 50 plus ideas, everyone. 50 plus ideas that you guys can generate as a QA workflows, AI testing tools, AI agents also. So those also we are going to cover. Here also we will covering about what is MCP, how to use it, how to create your own MCP also, right? It is best for the people who are already manual testers and automation tester. Minimum coding language we are going to learn. We are going to learn about basics of Python. That's it. Nothing fancy in this case. Most of the things that we are learning are vibe coded here in this case. Okay. Then we are going to learn about advanced AI tools, how to use Selenium with AI, Playwright MCP, how to use all this also, and CI/CD also. Then we are going to understand about how you can evaluate a LLM. So if your company is going to basically install or use it, use the AI, right? It's going to use that AI. Then they need a evaluation framework. We are going to learn about how we have created our deep eval framework, TrueLens and PromptBoo. Overall ideas I'm going to give you all in this case. Okay, sir, is the coding is necessary? No, coding is not important. I'm going to cover the Python basics plus vibe coding overall and overall concepts of N8 and Langflow and everything with QA workflows. Okay, right now. This is going to be 10 to 12 weeks, which we are going to basically go almost. Saturday, Sunday classes will be there, everyone, 60 hours of plus content, right? And if you join it, I think there is a almost 8 plus bonuses are there. You can, you will build your own QA workflows, generative AI, N10 codes, right? Doubt sessions, master classes, and many more things will be given you side by side. So detail will be in the description if you want to check it out, right? Sir, is there any playwright with Python automation course also? We have, Deepal, we have. You can check it out on the sdet.live class where we will mention that. Okay. Sir, in case of error, can we debug the code as well in the VS code? We can VP code. We can do that. Okay. We can do that also. Sir, I'm a backend tester. I work with the flows like this DB plus. Can I automate that also? You can. You can automate by using N10, Langflow, or even by using LangChain or using a Python scripts also. Okay, Apurva possible. Sir, what is a vibe coding? Vibe coding is something where you code by using your intentions. Right now, Swapnil, we have done vibe coding only, right? Have you written any code? कोई कोड लिखा है यहाँ पे हमने? Tell me. Have you written any code, Swapnil? कोई कोड लिखा था हमने कुछ? नहीं, right? Sir, N10 is for tester also. Yes, N10 we are using. We are also using couple of community edition, free edition of N10 also to automate couple of flows. We have free version of N10 we are using. We have switched to Langflow also. So Langflow open source version, free of cost QA workflow automation also we are doing that also. Okay, so we are using that. It is not that it is not there. Full curriculum, if you guys wanted, AI tester blueprint, full curriculum is available here, everyone. If you are looking for, just go to track.testingacademy.com. You will find a lot of details. Okay, I'm going to give you here. If you are looking for curriculum, everyone, on the YouTube also, go to track.testingacademy.com. Create a free account here. You will find the full curriculum which we are going to cover with the AI agents, all the agents, right? Not all the agents we are going to create, but some of them we are already going to create. Okay. Ideas of AI testing tools, all of them. QA workflows, which we have. And this is just an article which I have written for all of you. Okay. Sir, can you please show a demo of API that was received from a extractor application with the Postman in real time also? We can, I can show you that also if you want to. Okay. So what you need to do in that case, real time also it will work. Only thing is just go to PTF, right? This one we have done. Okay, let me open the argument. Let it open. Okay. Share me the API with payload that we can send to get the extracted JSON. We can do that, by the way. Okay. Okay. Who was asking this question? Siddhant Hande, right? Yes, you can. You can. Okay. So it will run the application and it will show you. Okay. Run the app. Okay. Now it is basically telling you that, okay, you can use this. Okay. So it has given me curl also, everyone. Yes. Curl also it has given me, right? So it is telling me that, okay, you can send a file with the name of invoice at that PDF. Okay. So what you need to do is just go to Postman. Very simple. Go to Postman. If you already have a Postman, just open it, import this curl, whichever you have copied. Okay. And here in this case, you just need to mention, instead of file, you just mention your file you have downloaded, which is this bills. Okay. Here is my file. Here is my JSON. Okay. Extract and provider Gemini as of now we are using. You can mention Olama also. Olama. Okay. That's it. And try to run it. Okay. Isko run karo. Because right now it is not running. So let it run. Please run the app. Right. I am going to pass the Olama. Okay. Olama in this case. We are going to use Olama. By the way, here it is telling you that success, the response will look like this. Okay. Clear, Diksha? The response will look like this. It is giving you the response, right? Or you can use a you can use this code also to get a response in this case. Okay, easy peasy lemon squeezy, yes or no? Right, so it is telling me that okay, if you want to use it, use it. I have also created a document here also. Okay, so it has given me documentation also, so it is running the application now. It's going to run. Let me open the app. I think 800 where it is running. This is the app where it is running. Here is the API doc, by the way. By the way, you have also copied this curl also, no? Why you have told me to do this? Ye ri curl, ye to ri. We can directly use that curl also. Okay, fair. There is a documentation also I've given. So here you can see that. So here it is saying you just have to mention the Olama in this case. Okay, Olama de do, that's it. So I think it is running now. So we will open the, where is our PDF? Okay, चलना है, इसको run करें. Now you can see it is converting my pdf.bill. Okay, so I have just mentioned Olama also, sending the request, right? It is done. I'll fail to parse LLM JSON string delimiter. There's some problem we are basically facing. Okay, so I think let me check Olama is working or not. Okay, we got some errors. No worries, we'll basically use some other file. Okay, I think अच्छा, I think this is simple because date and everything is not there. Now it is working. ठीक है, दीक्षित कहाँ गया भाई? Who has asked this question? दीक्षा, श्रुति, सिद्धांत, दीपा कुमारी, yes or no? Clear? आ गया response, देखो, done. Right? Response is also come in this case. चलो, so got the idea everyone? Got the idea? And here we go. We have AI power testing, guys, which is launching everyone. So, all right, I'll see you in the live. Make sure that everyone join it. Okay. Tomorrow we are starting and we'll basically start with the bang. All right. Enjoy. Bye bye. Okay. Bye bye, everyone. Okay. If somebody does not know Selenium and rest assured will be able to use the AI platform. Yes, Diksha, you are right. Yes. Sir, we will get a certificate also, right? Yes, you will get a certificate also. Okay. Sir, I'm a manual tester. Is it possible for me to create a train an AI model to generate SKS, also perform a testing of prompts by editing? Yes, you are, Varun. Yes, you are going to learn that. 90% of AI tester can work moderately, right? Can you give summary on this, right? Yes, and very strange phenomena is happening nowadays, everyone. How many of you are with me? Guys, there is a, Akhil, it's very affordable, man. No discount, okay? This, it is already discounted. One thing which I have noticed is actually manual testers are using more AI as compared to automation, to be honest, okay? Which is, I have seen in organizations. So it is important, all of you, if you are working, I mean, go ahead and use that. Okay. So will there be a regular session for next episode, right? Yes, will be. Okay. Chalo, enjoy. Let me check. Just wanted to check everything is smooth, right? Okay. Audio, video, fine. Everything is